Hello everyone. Are you worried about coronavirus? I am, and therefore I want to show you how to make very simple homemade respirator slash hygienic mask. Here I have non-woven roll, and what else you need to make this mask is stapler, scissors and old rubber bands. So first what you do, you take the non-woven, depending on the thickness, you fold it several times until you feel it's safe enough. I fold it 3 times just to be sure. And then you cut the non-woven like this. So you have this 3 times folded piece here. What you do next, you take these rubber bands and attach them in the corners with stapler. Right. Then the other end. Yes. I hope these rubber bands are not too old and weak, because then they will break when I try to use it. Here you can see, and actually this is now ready. Then you just apply it to your face like this, and you are protected. And roll like this will last, probably you can make masks for your whole family and relatives. Thank you and stay healthy.